So this is the bug hotel that we made last year out of some pallets that we got for free from a delivery. It's got lots of things on the inside. It's got some bricks with holes in. It's got some leaf piles. There's lots of sticks under here. It's got a nice roof made of some bits of old shed roof, and we're trying to cover that with soil and get the grass to grow in it, keep it a bit more watertight. We've got some solitary bee houses in the side here, but we've got some gaps down the bottom now, so we're going to go and find some stuff and make some more nice insect homes for our insect hotel. Look at that, Marlo, a wee millipede from your own bug hotel. Does he feel tickly?
Yes.
One of Marlo's favourite insects is the ladybird, so we thought we'd try and make somewhere nice for them to stay over the winter. We've got a nice old ceramic pot that was just lying around the garden, not doing anything, and we've got all the leftover things from making our sock buppets the other day. So we're going to make a nice bed for these ladybirds. So we're going to fill the bottom of our bug hotel with lots of nice dried moss and some bits of the fir trees in our garden. And then we've got loads and loads of pine cones to pop in for the ladybirds to hibernate in. And this is our finished nest for ladybirds. We're just going to go and find a spot in our bug hotel.